.25 plate Porsche Cayenne in for the Cayenne immobiliser. So with the Cayenne Immo, at the moment we're doing a special offer. So you're getting the free Bluetooth tag, leather case, Faraday bag, obviously emergency override, screwdriver and spare battery just for the tag in case you are using it. So you can also pair your phone. So the tag's in range. Let me show you how it all works. So I'll start the vehicle. Straight away we've got a flash of the hazards. We can select gear nice and safely. Back into park, exit the vehicle, and it will rearm. So as we open the door, double flash. I'll now hide the tag. So tag's away in the Faraday bag. If I start the vehicle now, no flash of the hazards. And if we select gear, if you watch down here, as I'm selecting gear, it's just going back into neutral. So you cannot select gear until we enter the unique PIN code. For demonstration purposes, I'll just do something very simple. So the customer's demo code, I'll just do a couple of pedals. Flash of the hazards there, say it's disarmed. Now when we select gear, it goes into drive, no problem. Back into park. Switch the vehicle off. Again, if you sit in the vehicle, you can restart it multiple times, very convenient. But as soon as you exit the vehicle, automatically rearms and you're protected. Interested in getting your vehicle secured? Give us a call. Tony Elite Car Security 0333 012 9028.